Hello guys. So in this video we will try to understand what is a primary key and what is a foreign key. It's very important because most of the tables will have this, and how do we use them is very important. So a primary key is nothing but a column which can uniquely identify a single row. Say for example, we are creating a database to store students information. So what can be a column which are unique for every single student? So we can say students ID or students roll number or students some registration number, right? So this is unique. Every student will have a unique registration or roll number, right? So we can say students roll number column is primary key. That is, each of this will be unique, so that if I want to just get one single row, so based on that primary key, that is the student ID, I can get that single row. So this is your primary key. So that column which you set as a primary key should be unique for each column. It is known as your primary key. Now coming to foreign key, if there are duplicates, okay, so an example, if I have a column, that column is also required in other tables. So if one table is required, if one column is required in multiple tables, then we will be using concepts of foreign key, where that column will be placed in a table, and that from that table I will be linking it to other tables. So that is your example for foreign key. So let us look at an example for your foreign key. Say for example, here I have two tables called as orders and order details. So let me click on orders first. So these are the orders placed by customer. So you can see every order has a unique order, right? Order ID. So unique order ID is there. And to check the order details, you can see same order IDs are repeated here. So you can see this is example for your foreign key, where I have it in orders, and this order IDs, this primary key, this is a primary key. Why? Because every column, every row has this order ID uniquely. There won't be two rows with same order ID, right? Every time you make a purchase, you'll get new order ID, right? So this is a primary key which is being connected to this order details order ID. So that is example for your foreign key. This is how internet will be connected. So hope you understood what is a primary key and what is a foreign key.